April Rogers back again for yet another fun activity. I am here with Ethan and Isaac. Our hair's a little bit longer, and this one kind of has a black eye right now. But hope you guys are having lots of fun in quarantine and coming up with lots of different activities. We wanted to give you another activity to do at home today, and it's called bread in a bag. Okay, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a yeast packet. Ethan, why don't you pour the cup of flour in? Good job. Isaac, nope, not that one. Why don't you pour this in? Got it? Good job.
Now what?
And I will open up the yeast and put that in. Now, we will pour all this in a bag. All right, shake, shake, shake. Okay, all right. Now, you're having so much fun. Let's pour in 1 cup of warm water, and Mommy's gonna do that now. All right, so this one you're gonna shake, but you're also gonna kind of move it around. Okay, now that they have shaken up all the ingredients in the bag, just double check that it's all mixed up. Now what we are going to do is we're gonna go through the proofing stage, and we are going to let this sit for 10 minutes. You know what we're gonna do for those 10 minutes? We're gonna turn on the C19 dance party mix that the Grapevine Parks and Rec department made, and we're gonna dance for like 10 minutes. So we just had our dance partying and proofing is over. Your bag should be starting to fill up with air. That means the yeast is alive, so that's a good thing. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put another cup of flour in there, the butter, and the salt.
And then sprinkle it.
Good job.
I'm gonna do the other one that is behind it.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it up again.
Squish, 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 squish.
All right, we finished up mixing. We're gonna put this last cup of flour in, and we're gonna mix one more time. All right, so we've mixed it all together. Now we're gonna knead the dough for another 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll let the boys just smash away.
Squish, squish.
I'm gonna be honest, I've never made bread like this before, so this will be a really neat experiment for us. Now what you need to do is you grease your loaf pan and stick your loaf in the pan, and then put it in a warm spot in your house with a towel over it and let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. While you let your bread rise, go ahead and preheat your oven to 375, and then you will cook it for 25 minutes. We made bread, y'all. This is pretty awesome.
Yummy.
We made bread, guys. Wasn't that fun?
Yeah.
Thank you again for joining us for another fun activity with Ethan and Isaac. We hope you guys continue to wreck the curve and enjoy your family time together.
Enjoy your stuff, everybody.
Now, let's eat.